Hey everyone, welcome back. Internet Download Manager, or IDM. It's fast, reliable, and widely used. But there's one big catch. It only comes with a 30-day trial. After that, you need to purchase a license to keep using it. Now, I know many of you are looking for a great download manager that offers fast downloads and advanced features without the price tag. That's why I'm sharing one of the best free alternatives to IDM. It's packed with features similar to IDM, and the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive in. The download manager we're discussing today is called AB Download Manager. It's a fantastic alternative to IDM, Internet Download Manager, offering a powerful set of features while being completely free. Unlike many other free download managers, AB Download Manager doesn't come with annoying ads or hidden costs, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable tool. One of the main concerns when downloading third-party software is security. To ensure this program is safe, let's run a quick virus scan. I'll copy the official website URL and paste it into VirusTotal, an online malware scanner that checks files and links against multiple security vendors. After hitting enter, we can see that no security vendor has flagged this URL as malicious. This confirms that AB Download Manager is 100% clean and safe to use. Once you're on the official website, click on the Get App button. If you want to learn more about the software before downloading, you can browse through its features. Here are some highlights. A simple and modern UI, high-speed downloads, built-in browser integration, speed limiter download scheduler. Now let's go ahead and download the app. First, head over to the official website and locate the Get App button. Clicking on it will bring up a prompt asking you to choose a platform, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I'll go with the Direct Download, EXE option. However, if you prefer a portable version without installation, you can opt for the zip download instead. Once the file finishes downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves files, and double-click on the setup file to begin the installation process. A setup window will appear, guiding you through the steps. Click Next, and unless you have specific preferences, it's best to leave all the default options as they are. After that, click Install to start the installation. It should only take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Next, then Finish to finalize the setup and launch the application. Now you're ready to start using it. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. This is the home screen where you'll manage all your downloads. Let me walk you through some key features. Starting a new download. Click on File, then New Download. Paste the URL of the file you want to download. You can also import links from the clipboard or start a batch download. Task Management. Start or pause a queue of downloads. Delete files you no longer need. Browser Integration. IB Download Manager works seamlessly with Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. If you use Chrome like me, click on Tools, then select Download Browser Extension. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once installed, click the puzzle icon in Chrome and pin the extension for easy access. Settings and Customization. Under Appearance, switch between light and dark mode. Adjust startup settings. I recommend disabling the Start on Boot option to avoid slowing down your PC. Enable or disable notification sounds. Set up a proxy if required. Customize download speeds and thread count for better performance. One important thing to note, this software is completely free. Unlike IDM, there's no activation process, no limitations on file sizes, and no trial period. You can download large files without any restrictions. Testing the download speed now. Let's put AB Download Manager to the test and see how well it performs. To do this, I'll download a Windows 11 ISO file, which is a fairly large file, perfect for testing download speed and stability. Normally, when downloading a file through a web browser, you simply click the download button, and the browser handles the process. However, with AB Download Manager, you get an extra option, Download with ABDM. This option ensures that the file is processed through the manager, unlocking additional features like faster speeds, resume support, and better stability. Once I click Download with ABDM, the Download Manager instantly detects the file URL and adds it to the queue. All I have to do is hit Download, and you'll notice that the speed is significantly faster compared to a regular browser download. This is because ABDM IDM optimizes the connection by using multiple simultaneous threads, allowing it to fetch different parts of the file at the same time instead of downloading it sequentially like a standard browser. If your internet connection is stable, you'll likely see a noticeable improvement in download times, making this an excellent choice for handling large files efficiently. That's it for today's video. Hopefully this guide helps you find the best free alternative to IDM. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.